Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2217 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, we have a mirror. Hello. And the mirror is actually the sliding door to the bathroom. And speaking of the bathroom, to the right of it, we have the bathtub. We have the sink area right there with the bin, hair dryer, couple of glasses, power outlet, mirrors, the sink itself, all the bathroom amenities, towels, box of tissues, more towels below. And here we have the shower area with yet another towel. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower on the wall and the rain shower right above. Here we have the shower controls. And right there, we have the usual shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Right there, we have the toilet with toilet rolls and hooks right up there. Opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe area. Behind this sliding door, we have in-room slippers below, torchlight right up there, together with storage, hangers, and bathrobes. Right here, we have the ironing board, iron, and a bit of storage. There we have the master light switch for the room, together with the do not disturb switch. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. While down there we have storage together with the weighing scale. Here we have the in-room safe. Here we have the laundry stuff. And right up here we have a place to put the luggage. Here we have snacks, all the tea and coffee making stuff, mugs, glasses, and whatnot. Down here we have the kettle and a storage area. And right here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you can still put your own items in there. And for my membership, I do get a free minibar. A free minibar. Right on top, we have bottles of water, coffee pots, the coffee machine, power outlet, and at the top we have a light. We have a dual bin setup right there with recyclable items to one side and regular waste to the other side. Here we have a flat screen LG TV. And here we have the bed. It does look quite comfortable. On the left bedside table, we have a drawer, the TV remote with the TV guide. There we have all the light switches together with power outlets and USB-A ports. There's a light right above and another light behind the headboard. As you can see the bathroom from the bedroom as well. But if you want more privacy, you can always close the door and lock it. Here we have the climate control panel with a power outlet down there And further inside, we have the desk area with the desk chair, storage surfaces, desk light, and lights behind the panel right there. We also have the sofa area. It is quite big. A table. And on the right bedside table, we have another drawer, another light, all the light switches for the room as well, together with power outlets and USB-A ports. We also have the in-room telephone, a clock, writing materials. And as for the view out, we can see the sea right there, the expansion of Gurney Drive. Gurney Drive is down there. And we can also see all the surrounding buildings in the distance. That is the road behind the hotel. And the houses next to the hotel are down below. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2217 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.